in the process of trying to streamline the entire ease of doing business. We are now number one, adopting the online building permission system. So with this, from August 11th, people applying for permission for buildings to be constructed, they can apply online. So they don't have to physically apply it. That's number one. Number two, we have also proposed to make it easy for people to get permissions. For example, for low risk buildings and mainly low risk buildings, which is residential, commercial, and industrial, up to 2,500 square feet or a built up area of up to 3,000 square feet with only G+1 and a 7-meter maximum building height. The technical permissions and the technical approvals will not be required from MUDA anymore. So if you are a building of a low risk building, there will be empaneled architects who can empanel themselves onto the website. Once they empanel, as an individual who would like to construct a building and a house in the low risk building, residential, commercial, industrial area, as per specifications I have mentioned, they will simply have to self attest and get it approved by this engineers and architects who are empaneled by the government. They'll submit it online. They can start their construction even without the permission being given. And in 30 days' time, the permission will be granted to these individuals to start their construction. At the same time, larger buildings, which will be there, which is G+2 and up to a maximum built up area of 750 square feet, we will have empaneled architects and a council of architects, architects and companies and engineering firms, which will be empaneled and registered by us, who will be then what we call third party verification agencies. And they will be kind of engaged by the department. And these individuals who are applying for permission, they will simply take the help of these architects and engineers, and they'll be able to get the permissions so that they can start the construction of their building. So therefore, we are working in order to make it easy for now people to get building permissions. And these amendments were today cleared in the cabinet.